Nathan Cox.
And I'm Noel Morgan.
And this is WTHS for Friday, November 7th. Here are this week's top stories.
Milam Science Fun Day is a program that partners AP's THS science students with 6th graders at Milam. Current juniors at THS were the first group to be mentored for this program 5 years ago.
We caught up with some of the people involved. This is what they had to say.
The Milam Science Fun Day was a day that all the 6th grade students at Milam got to go around the gym and experiment with different things, and they had high school volunteers and parent volunteers that ran these stations, and the students got to go around to like 20-something, I forgot, 22 stations maybe, and they got to go around and experiment with all these things and learn more about science and the different aspects of it. I had the steel rod paradox, which was talking about the center of gravity, and it's a paradox because when a bus and a car are going around a curve, you would think the bus is more likely to fall over because the center of gravity is higher from the ground, and the car's center of gravity is lower to the ground. So if you had a steel rod and you had the center of gravity, this little metal piece on it, and that's what they gave me, and you would think the center of gravity would need to be at the bottom to keep it from falling over. And it's a paradox, so the center of gravity actually needs to be at the top of the rod to keep it from falling over. The students that came to by my station, they would have competitions to see who could keep it balanced and standing up the longest, so that was fun. I really hope they learned some more about the center of gravity and what it is.
My experiment, we filled Ziploc bags with water and then poked pencils through them and talked about why water didn't pour out of the Ziploc bag. I think it was beneficial to the students because they got to do stuff outside of the classroom that was hands-on, and some of it they could even do at home, and they just saw different applications of stuff that they learned in the classroom. It's really fun.
There was a wide range of experiments, from some in physics to some in chemistry, and I did the rockets. We got to shoot rockets with air pressure. Another one that was pretty cool was they used alcohol to shoot corks out of bottles, and it was pretty loud, and it was just pretty cool.
I worked with Lee Wynn at a station where we used spinning bugles, and when you spin them, they make this really weird noise. And so we were talking about how atmospheric pressure causes air to shoot through the tube. So it's pretty cool.
My experiment was basically how potential energy becomes kinetic energy and then creates friction. Like what I would do is I had a stick and I had a little bitty loop at the top, and I would drop it and see how long it would take. It would go straight down and take 1 second. And then I would, to try to figure out, ask the kids how to make it slow down, take longer, I would spin it, which when I'm making it spin, it causes friction and it takes a lot longer to hit the bottom.
I had little spinny tops, like where you twist them and do that, and there's a little handle, and when you spun it, the handle would go on to the bottom and it would spin on the handle, and it was really fun to see the kids' reactions when they finally got it right, and they were so excited that it did what it was supposed to do.
And now for weather. Temperatures are beginning to get pretty cold, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Let's go to Jason and Andrew for your 7-day forecast.
Good morning, THS. I'm Pro Meteorologist Andrew Hildenbrand.
And I'm Stud Meteorologist Jason Garrett, and we're here with your 7-day forecast.
Today it's a high of 57, low of 36 with a 0% chance of rain, so it's going to be a great day to go to Olive Branch and watch Tupelo try to get another win. Tomorrow, high 62, low 37 with 20% chance of rain, and also Tupelo basketball starts their season against the Madison Central Jaguars. On Sunday, high 50, low of 33 with 0% chance of rain, and on Monday, high 63 with a low of 45 and another 0% chance of rain.
And on Tuesday, there's a high of 68 and a low of 37 with a 40% chance of rain in the afternoon. And on Wednesday, you're going to have a high of 51 and a low of 32 with a 20% chance of rain, partly cloudy. And on Thursday, you're going to have a high of 56 and a low of 40 with a 10% chance of rain, mostly sunny though.
Back to you in the studio, Nathan and Noel.
Basketball will kick off tomorrow when the boys and girls host Madison Central. Let's go to Jacob Manley for more.
Thanks, guys. This is WTHS staffer Jenkins reporting live from Tupelo High Gymnasium. As football season winds down and we get ready for basketball season, we take a look at both the boys and girls basketball teams. The boys are led by returning starter Antonio Green Jr. and the girls return 4 of 5 starters led by senior point guard Jalea Polk. We talked to some of the players and coaches about this year's team.
We start this Saturday. You know, we've got 7 seniors this year, so we're pretty excited. This is the heaviest senior class that I've had since I've been here, so the girls are excited about the upcoming season. We know we've got a lot in front of us, and it's a long season, but we are excited, ready to get going.
How do you feel about this upcoming season of Tupelo High School basketball?
I feel very excited about the season. I've been playing with these girls since like 6th grade, been knowing some of them since I was like little, and just to know that we gonna be apart. Coming next year is gonna be very sad, but we done had a good experience together and we've been through everything together, so.
Do you feel that the gold team this year is better than last year?
They've really been helping us this year, and I really think that they're better in areas than the gold team from last year.
Who are some teams you are looking forward to playing this year?
Shannon, since those are our rivals, and who else? Olive Branch, yeah.
This is my 3rd season here, and we're excited about what we think we can get accomplished in this 3rd year. I got 5 seniors coming back, so that's the nucleus to have a good season, a good year, a good team. You know, of course, we try to upgrade our schedule. It's competition to be tough, but I think in the end, we'll have a great chance of having the season that we want to have.
I'm looking to win a lot more, make it farther than we did last year, and win a lot of games and bonding with my teammates. I think I can bring a lot of defense and offense.
I feel like I have to bring a lot of leadership. I feel like I bring a little bit of everything, though. Well, a lot of everything. But I don't know. I'm focusing on leadership, though. I think that's the main thing that we'll need this year. I changed my number to 3, and I just feel like it should be a change. And I gave 23 to my little brother Jenk, but he should carry on the legacy of it. He should do a lot in that number this year and next year, if he doesn't change his.
That's this week's edition for WTHS. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nathan Cox.
And I'm Noel Morgan, and I approve this message.